This is a new 2014 Ford Fusion Hybrid, powered by front-wheel drive, a 2-liter, 4-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include blind spot sensors, Bluetooth connectivity, Ford Sync, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, remote start, aluminum rims, automatic climate control, a tilt and telescopic steering wheel, an alarm system. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today. Ted Britt Ford Sales is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 11165 Main Street, Fairfax, Virginia.